and welcome everyone in my today's live streaming. Thank you so much everybody for joining this live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join this live streaming, guys. So guys, this live streaming is going to be about the new listing on our wonderful platform, okay, which is Nero. Okay, so which is Nero chain, Nero chain. So this has been introduced on our platform, everyone, as a new airdrop. So today's discussion is going to be about the on this topic only, everyone. I hope I am audible to everyone. So it's my request, guys, please try to join this live streaming as soon as possible so that I proceed further. Okay, so guys, so today is Get Live. Today's topic is Get Live, Hodler Airdrop, Launch Pool, Candy Drop, and Simple Earn Nero, which is NERO. Okay, so this new airdrop is featuring under Hodler Airdrop, Launch Pool, Candy Drop, and the Simple Earn. Okay, so please everybody just join this live streaming, guys. Okay, join this live streaming, everyone. Alright, those who have joined, I like to say thank you to everybody. Okay, everyone. So please everybody tries to join this live streaming, everyone. Alright, everyone. Alright. So, okay. Thank you so much, Crypto King. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, everybody. So, guys, okay, so guys, this is the GetX. Okay, this is the announcement. This is the announcement. https://www.get.com/announcement/article/46284. Okay, everybody. So this is the announcement article 46284, everyone. Okay, so GetX Nero chain launch. Okay, launch the okay, everyone, we featuring Hodler Airdrop launch. Okay everyone, so get X Nero chain, Nero launch, Nero ecosystem week featuring hodler airdrop, launch pool, candy drop and simple earn events. Okay, so get will list. Okay everybody, get will list Nero for spot trading on July 28, 2025 at 7 UTC. To reward our users, hodler airdrop, launch pool, candy drop and simple earn events will Nero chain. Nero according to the timeline below. Join now and experience it. Okay. Now this is okay, hodler airdrop everyone. Okay everyone, hodler airdrop, this is the get will list Nero chain, Nero and offer a limited time hodler airdrop. Users holding at least 1 GT can share 50 lakh Nero tokens for free. Okay. Alright, so guys, now we'll see that you can simply click on, okay, you can simply click on this one and you can join now everyone. Now we'll see the launch pool everyone. Hold on a second everyone. Alright, hold on a second everybody. So guys, this is the get will launch the 298th launch pool Nero chain. Nero users can stake BTC/Nero to earn this much of Nero. So rewards are distributed hourly and VIPs enjoy up to 500% staking cap boost. Event starts July 28, 2025 12 UTC, August 11, 2025 at 12 UTC everyone. So you can simply click on join now. And okay everyone, now we'll see the candy drop. Okay, okay everyone. ओके एवरीबॉडी, सो देख सकते हो नाउ गाइज दिस इज द कैंडी ड्रॉप. ओके, दिस इज द कैंडी ड्रॉप. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. सो गाइज यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कैंडी ड्रॉप गेट्स airdrop reward platform has teamed up with Nero Chain, Nero for an ecosystem week event. Launch of Candy Drop 58. Candy Drop X Nero Chain Nero trade to share in this much of Nero Chain Super Airdrop. The event runs from July 28, 2025 at 17:10 to August 7 at 2025 at 8 UTC. Everybody. Do you want to ask me any questions, guys? Please feel free to ask me. Alright, now we'll see the simple earn. We'll see under the simple earn. Okay, so guys, Get Simple Earn will launch a Nero 7-day fixed term product on July 28th, 2025, offering a 500% APR only. This much of Nero available, first come first served. Okay, so you can simply click on join now. Okay, now guys, we have here the project introduction. We'll see the project introduction, everybody. What is the project introduction we are getting here? So guys, it's my request from you all, please do share, everybody. So now everyone, Nero, a modular app-centric layer 1 blockchain. Okay, so everyone, Nero is an EVM compatible modular layer 1 chain built for developers and businesses. It features native account abstraction, which is ERC 4337, and a flexible paymaster system enabling gas payments in any token and sponsored or fully gasless transactions, which is docs.nerochain.io. All right. So backed by top tier institutional players like Entity Digital and CoinTrade since its testnet launch, the Nero empowers dApps to capture fees. Okay, fees, customizes gas logic and delivers seamless web tool style user experiences. Okay, which is nerochain.io, doc जो है .nerochain.io. Okay, so everyone, it is a unique block space 2.0 architecture, separates execution, settlement and data availability. It has also been optimized for performance, developer control and substantial sustainable token economics. Okay everyone, now we have here the note. There may be discrepancies between this original content in English and any translated versions. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information in case any discrepancies arises. Okay, everyone. So this is the announcement page for the Nero chain, everyone. Now we'll see this. Okay. So under the hodler airdrop, this has been ended, everyone. Black ended here. Okay. So you can simply click on this and you can start your trading. So end time was 28th of July at 10:30 around, everybody. Now let's see some information about the founder, which is Jake Stolarski. So he's the founder of this project, everybody. So Jake Stolarski, CEO and co-founder, was formerly CEO of Cube Network, a layer 1 blockchain project ranked in the top 20 by a prominent CEX. He developed and operated Dragonfly Capital's volatility trading fund, which employed hedging strategies designed to enhance returns and mitigate downside risk. He previously served as a director of the Chicago Trading Company and served as the official options specialist for all NASDAQ and Russell 2000 index options, as well as emerging markets on the New York Stock Exchange, which is NYSE. As co-founder and partner at Barrow Street, he created an energy-focused volatility trading fund, which ranked among the top 3 globally on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Okay, and achieved a 70% return for 3 consecutive years. He previously managed all trading and risk at Cipher Technologies Management, the first digital asset volatility fund registered with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, which is SEC, and the Commodity Futures Trading Competition, which is CFTC. He set early standards for bilateral ISDA and developed the industry's first collateral logbox standard. He was an early applicant for a Bitcoin ETF. He began his career as a researcher at Northrop Grumman and the US Air Force Research Laboratory, where he published papers on laser system reliability and computer modeling. He holds degree in physics and electrical engineering. Okay. Now we have here the project features. Okay, everybody, for project features. So guys, fully EVM compatible with native account abstraction. Solve the block space pricing problem on the Ethereum virtual machine. Any token can be used as a gas through modular paymaster. DApps capture and monetize on-chain activity. Active validator set and live mainnet backed by major institutions such as Entity Digital and CoinTrade, designed for Web 2 and Web 3 interoperability and enterprises adoption. Okay, everybody. Alright, everybody. So now adoption. Now we have here the token economics. Nero is the native gas token used to pay transaction fees, stake validators and access network services like Paymaster, applications purchase and stake Nero tokens to subsidize transaction fees or customize gas logic, generating ongoing token demand that is directly correlated to network usage and ecosystem growth. Now we have here the technical overview. Nero is an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain with native account abstraction and a modular paymaster system, allowing any token to be used as gas. Its application-centric architecture enables dApps to capture network value, define custom fee logic, and provide a seamless customized user experience across Web 2 and Web 3, everybody. Okay, now we have here the token circulation. Angel round 2%, 5% unlocked by TGE, logged up for 39 weeks, and the remaining 95% will be released linearly within 78 weeks. Seed round 6%, 5% unlocked by TGE, logged up for 24 weeks, and the remaining 95% will be released linearly within 52 weeks. Airdrop by community round 3%, treasury and partner fund 35%, 5% unlocked by TGE, and the remaining 95% will be released linearly within 208 weeks. Staking reward 30%, 10% unlocked by TGE, and the remaining 90% will be released linearly within 208 weeks. Liquidity round 7%, 25% unlocked by TGE, and the remaining 75% will be released linearly within 52 weeks. Team round 15%, 0% unlocked by TGE, logged up for 65 weeks, and the remaining 130 weeks will be released linearly. Advisor round 2%, 0% unlocked by TGE, logged up for 65 weeks, and the remaining 130 weeks will be released linearly. Alright everybody, now we'll see under the launch pool, everyone. This is our launch pool section, everybody. This is our launch pool section, everyone, where it is given the project introduction. I have already shared the project information. We have the official website, official X handling, official white paper of this project. Okay, so this project has been started on 28th of July at around 17:30, and it is going to be end in 8 days, everybody. And the end timing is 11th of August at 17:30. 11th of August at 17:30, everybody. Okay, so ends in 8 day. 8 day mein end hoga. So this is the project introduction, everyone. Now we have here the project introduction. So under the BTC pool, okay, under the BTC, total staking rewards is this much. Mining period is of 14 days. Mining period is of 14 days, everybody. Total rewards is this much Nero. Total staked is this much BTC. Total number of participants is 4,240. How much is the participants? 2,440. Price pool hourly cap is 89,285.71 Nero. Individual hourly reward cap is 3,571.42 Nero. APR is 2.96%. Okay, individual staking cap is VIP 10 BTC, everybody. Okay, now we'll see the Nero, everyone. Now we'll see the Nero. Total staking rewards is this much Nero. Mining period is of 14 days. Total rewards is this much Nero, everybody. Total staked is this much of Nero. Participants, it's 12,852. Participants, it's 12,852. Price pool hourly cap is 29,761.9 Nero. Okay. Individual hourly reward cap is 3,273.8 Nero everyone. Now we have here the APR. It's 1,095.75%. Okay. Individual staking cap is this much. Okay, so it's okay everybody. So this much is the Nero. Okay, so this is the under the BTC pool everyone, and you can simply click on this one. Okay everyone, APR is 2.96%, and under the Nero pool the APR is 1,095.75%. okay everyone. Now we'll see the get launch pool everyone. Get launch pool hashtag 290. Get launch pool hashtag 290. All right. Hey Get User, welcome. Get launch pool hashtag 290. So Nero chain, Nero stake BTC and receive Nero airdrop. So guys, get launch pool will launch its 29th launch pool. Its Nero chain is the 29th launch pool. User who stake BTC and Nero will receive a share of this much of Nero tokens for free with hourly airdrops available. Airdrop details, mining time. Mining time is July 28th, 2025 at 20 UTC, and it is going to be end on. It's very important that you should have an idea when the project is going to be end. So it is going to be end on August 11, 2025 at 20 UTC. Total mining amount is this much Nero everyone. Stake and earn points now. Unlock method is 100% unlocked. So get launch pool supports users to stake in advance. You can stake your assets before the project is officially launched, ensuring that you will start earning rewards as soon as the project starts mining. Okay? Now we'll see the rewards distribution. Okay, the reward distribution. System will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the percentage of their staked assets. How to participate? Log into your Get account and complete identity verification. Enter launch pool, hold at list. How much you have to hold, the eligibility criteria, it's very important. How much you have to hold at least this much of BTC / 10 Nero, and you need to click on stake. Okay. VIP users exclusive staking limit bonus. We have the VIP users exclusive staking limit bonus. So VIP 5 and above users participating in a launch pool enjoy exclusive staking limit increase benefits up to 500% staking limit bonus everyone. So VIP 0 to VIP 4 10 BTC, VIP 5 15 BTC plus 50%, for VIP 6 20 BTC plus 100%, VIP 7 26 BTC plus 160%, VIP 8 34 BTC plus 240%, VIP 9 45 BTC plus 350%, VIP 10 VIP 16 60 BTC plus 500% everybody. Basic information is given here about this project. Official website is given here. Official website link is given here, which is https://nerochain.io/. Okay. We'll see the precaution everyone. It's very important that you should see the precaution everybody. Okay, everyone. So guys, precautions number 1. Get Launchpool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where users can earn hot coin airdrops every hour by staking GT, BTC, TH, USDT. Okay. Or other tokens, it has a low threshold and high annualized return, making it easy to capture market opportunities. Number 2, participating users must first complete identity verification to ensure the security of your accounts and assets. Number 3, please abide by the relevant activity rules. When participating, cheating is prohibited. Any cheating will result in disqualification from winning the prize. In case of any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Number 5, Get reserves the right of final interpretation of this event. So number 6, this event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Number 7, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted regions are unable to use all or part of the services, including participating in this event, game, or competition. For detailed information about restricted regions, please read the user agreement. So guys, here GitLab's investment announcement. GitLab did not invest in the Nero chain investment. We have here the risk warning. We'll see this one in the last. Okay, now we'll see under the Candy Drop. So this airdrop is featuring under the Candy Drop as well, everyone. As you can see, this is ongoing. You have to simply go on this one, or either you need to click on join now. Okay, when you will click on join now, you will navigate to this page. So guys, here this is short information of this project, which is Nero is an EVM compatible modular layer 1 chain built for developers and businesses. It features native account abstraction ERC 4337 and a flexible payment system, Paymaster system, enabling gas in any token, sponsored a fully gasless transactions. Okay, now the total prize pool is this much, everybody. Total number of participants under the Nero. As of now, total number of participants is 17,573, everybody. How much? 17,573. Events end in 4 day, 18 hour, 28 minutes, everybody. So event ends in, the timeline is given here. Okay, so 4 day. So event ends in 4 day, 18 hour, 27 minutes, everybody. So registration is open. Complete task to share. Complete tasks to share this much of Nero prize pool. Okay, everyone. Now here we have the VIP exclusive prize pool. This much of Nero, everybody. Okay, VIP exclusive prize pool, this much of Nero. Okay, everybody, this much of Nero total tokens. And this is the individual share limit is 10,000 Nero, everybody. How much is the individual share limit? It's 10,000 Nero. So you need to complete task and share the prize pool. Log in and participate. Okay, the timeline is 28th of July to 7th of August, everybody. You need to complete the task. The timeline is given here. Nero spot trading is greater than equals to 50,000 USDT exclusive for VIP users. Claim 10,000 Nero. Rewards will be distributed on 2025 8 25 at 13:30. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Now the activity rules. VIP users who complete the above trading task will receive a fixed reward of 10,000 Nero per person. The total prize pool is this much of Nero. Rewards are distributed on a first come first served basis and will be issued after the event ends. Now spot trading to share this much of Nero, everyone. Okay, everybody. Total tokens is this much of Nero. Individual share limit is 10,000 Nero, everybody. How much is the individual share limits? It's 10,000 Nero. Okay? You need to complete task and share the prize pool, log in and participate. You need to complete the task. Tier 1 Nero spot trading task greater than equals to 5,000 USDT. For that, you will receive 1 candy. Tier 2 Nero spot trading task greater than equals to 7,000 USDT. For that, you will receive 3 candies. Tier 3 Nero spot trading task greater than equals to 10,000 USDT. For that, you will receive the 5 candies, everybody. We need to claim up to 10,000 Nero. Rewards will be distributed. The timeline is given the same as above. Now the activity rules. During the event, users achieving greater than equals to 5,000 USDT Nero spot trading volume, sum of opening plus closing positions can earn up to 9 candies from this much of Nero reward pool. So guys, third task is you need to invite new friends, share this much of Nero. Okay, everybody, total tokens, individual share limit is 10,000, everybody. So first complete task and share the prize pool. As you all know that Candy Drop always features under Candy Drop. Whatever the projects introduced under the Candy Drop, you need to do certain tasks. You need to complete certain tasks, everybody. So here's the same. Now number 2, complete task, Nero newcomer invitation task. For every friend you invite with a spot trading volume in Nero reaches over 2,000 USDT, you will receive 1 candy with a maximum of 10 times 1 candy. Okay, so claim up to 10,000 Nero. Rewards will be distributed on this much. Okay. Activity rules, everyone. Number 1, users who invite at least 1 new friend to join Get during the event period will receive 1 candy. Users can get up to 10 candies based on the number of new friends invited. Sharing a prize pool of this much of Nero. Definition of valid referral. Invited users must register through the event's exclusive link and achieve greater than equals to 2,000 USDT Nero spot trading volume. Now we have here the FAQ. It's very important that you should know the FAQ, everybody. So the number 1 is, what are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation type events, while other events have no restrictions. When will candies be distributed? So candy will be distributed within. Candies will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after users complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from the Candy Drop after 3 hours. Invitation rewards have not been issued. Only users who register via the exclusive referral link generated on Candy Drop invite friend. Alright everybody. So only users who register via the exclusive referral link generated on Candy Drop invite friends event page and complete the required tasks will be eligible for Candy rewards. No rewards will be distributed for referral made using invitation codes or links from other pages. Additionally, if the referred user participates in another referral campaign, the referrer will not receive rewards simultaneously. So what is the VIP exclusive prize pool and how to become a VIP? The VIP prize pool is an exclusive prize pool established for VIP users. Only VIP user can participate and receive rewards. As a Get VIP, you will unlock exclusive perks including lower trading fees, exclusive high-yield products, customized borrowing rate and cap, one-on-one account manager, access to VIP-only events and exclusive gifts and merchandise. Okay everyone, so now we have here the terms and conditions is also important. You should know. So number 1, participants must click the join button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Number 2, rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Number 3, bulk registration of multiple accounts, malicious volume manipulation, wash trading, self-dealing or other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Sub-accounts are not eligible for participation. Number 4, market makers, businesses and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restrictions. Number 5, in case of discrepancies between translated versions and the English version shall prevail. Number 6, it reserves the final right of interpretation for this event. Number 7, users from restricted regions will be unable to use all or part of the services including participation in this event, games or contest. For detailed information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement. Now we'll see under the simple earn everyone, under the simple earn. So you need to simply click on join now, then you will navigate to this page. Simple earn everyone, principal protected, flexible term, compound interest. 2.32 billion total lending USDT, 11% bonus. Okay, estimated APR in USDT. So now this is the narrow everyone, estimated APR. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं estimated APR 84 hour में it's 499.32%. Flexible terms. Okay, how to profit from simple earn? Create a lending offer. Initiate the process to lend out your idle funds. Number 2, successful matching. System matches your lending offer with borrowing needs in the market. Number 3, Compound interest, earn compound interest after your assets are borrowed successfully. Okay. Now the frequently asked questions under the simple earn. So what is simple earn? Through Get Simple Earn, you can profit from more than 800 cryptocurrencies and unleash the potential of your investment portfolios. Specifically, you can subscribe to flexible term or fixed term products to earn returns with crypto assets. How is the interest of simple earn flexible term calculated and distributed? So guys, your subscription to Get Simple Earn flexible term will work as working capital for loan businesses on the platform. The system will lend your funds to other users and the interest generated will be distributed to you as the annualized return of your subscription. So if your assets are borrowed at T o'clock, you will receive the interest earned during the following hour at T plus 1. However, if you redeem your assets before T plus 1, you will not receive any interest for the past hour. Interest received every hour will be invested automatically. To earn compound interest, you can redeem both principal and interest at redemption. The current estimated APR is the lowest APR at which simple earn funds can be successfully matched. For lending and earning returns, it's calculated based on historical data and current market borrowing demands. So how is the interest of simple earn fixed term calculated and distributed? After successfully subscription, interest will be calculated at the APR at the time of subscription throughout the term and start to accrue at 00 UTC plus 0 the next day. Both the interest and the principal will be credited to your spot account or unified account after the order reaches maturity. How to redeem? Okay everybody, how to redeem? Simple earn flexible term allows for real term redemption. However, if we are processing too many redemption requests, there may be a delay in assets arrival. Please wait patiently after submitting the request and interest will keep accruing during the waiting period. So do you all have any questions? Please feel free to ask me the questions everybody. I'm here to help you out guys. Okay. Please feel free to ask me the questions. So, simple earn fixed term. Simple earn fixed term allows for flexible redemption before the order reaches maturity. However, early redemption will result in the loss of all accrued interest. The principal will be returned to your spot account, a unified account, upon submitting the redemption request. Guide to simple earn. This course will help you master the basic of Get Simple Earn, including its features and profit models. After learning this course, you will be able to set the parameters of simple and rationally according to your own needs and market expectations. Grow your crypto assets, maximize capital efficiency. ठीक है everybody, I hope you all have understood till here. So do you as of now everything is clear to you now guys? Everything is clear to you now? If not, then please do let me know guys. I'll make you understand. Okay, if you haven't understood, please do let me know. I'll make you understand guys. Okay, everybody. So now we'll see some information from its official website, from the official website of this project, everybody, which is NeroChain, which is https://nerochain.io. So this is the official website of this project, everybody. Okay. So giving power back to the applications. So यहाँ पे fully modular architecture for rapid adaptation and performance. Now let's see. Pay gas with enjoy seamless gas fee payments using any token or stable coin of your choice. Boost your token liquidity with the convenience and flexibility of your paymaster. Easily integrate through our API. Okay. So choosing the right blockchain infrastructure is important for sustainable growth. Okay, everybody. So first dimensional fees, the illusion of choice. Okay, everyone, the illusion of choice. All right, everyone. So fees often appears flexible but bind you to blockchains with limited capabilities, restricting true choice and functionality. Limited token utility, everyone. Now we have here the limited token utility. Zero sum agreements between dApps. Okay. Zero sum agreement between dApps and blockchains dependent on blockchain engineers for token integration. No price discovery. Okay, no price discovery. Okay, everybody, no price discovery we have here. So unsustainable pricing set by token, uses limiting border token, adoption and controlled by a few players. Okay, do you all have any questions, guys? Please feel free to ask me. Security risk, lack of revenue and token circulation possesses long-term threats to network security. ठीक है, block space. We focus on the providing modularity at the application layer. All right. So flexibility allows the use of any token as gas with adaptable rules, empowering users with choice and enhancing transactions efficiency. So here, easily tailor your blockchain. So here, easily tailor your blockchain setup with Paymaster tools, optimizing configurations to align with your specific operational needs. Consignment, block space, and revenue sharing create an incentive aligned ecosystem, enhancing performance while minimizing volatility. All right. Utility. Nero unlocks new revenue streams for dApps and stabilizes transparent, fair pricing through dynamic user and market interactions, reducing dependency on fixed grants. So start building on Nero. Okay, everyone. So your users, your rule. Nero Chain empowers dApp builders to create sustainable business model that cater to diverse user needs. Our innovation fee management solution boosts token circulation, ensuring a thriving and balanced ecosystem for all. Okay, so देख सकते हैं inclusivity within the token ecosystem supports your sustainable business model, visibility through token usage volume. Nero puts your token first. Okay, everybody, Nero puts your token first. So unlock the full potential of your token with Nero's Paymaster technology, which optimizes gas fees and allows users to pay directly with dollar token. Nero reduces transaction costs and enhances your ecosystem's efficiency, boosting dollar tokens utility and securing long-term growth. Paymaster API. Okay, so gain full control to set the best fee pricing, boosting growth while maintaining the security budget. Okay, everybody. Modular architecture. Nero prioritizes the execution layer, offering application flexibility for easy integration and scalability. Unlike others focused on data availability, Nero enhances control, providing clear advantages over monolithic blockchains. Okay, EVM compatibility, seamless migration for existing Ethereum based projects. Okay, everybody. So I think these are the okay. So Nero Chain plus Entity Digital. So I think see all the newses. These are the newses, everyone. See all posts. These are the posts. So join us. Here is 4 ways you can dive into Nero Chain's ecosystem. Start building on Nero Chain, the blockchain that cares about your sustainable growth. So start building. So here we have you have Nero Chain Minute, Testnet, Nero Wallet, Doc Explorer, Community, Discord, X, Telegram, GitHub, LinkedIn, About Nero, our services verification, contact us. Okay, customer support brand. Okay, I'll take a look on the doc. Let me take a dive of the doc, everybody. So guys, welcome to the Nero Chain doc. Welcome to the definitive reference for all things narrow chain technology, ecosystem and development. Whether you are a developer, building applications, an operator running nodes, a researcher exploring the architecture, or just getting started with blockchain, its documentation will help you understand and leverage narrow chain's unique features. Okay, everyone. So, DApp developers build DApp with unique narrow features. So these are the features, everybody. I'm just taking an overlook. Okay, everyone. Chain and node operators. Deploy and maintain narrow chain networks and validator nodes. Researchers and developers explore technical architecture innovations and protocol details. Quick start guides, developer tools, developer about frequently asked questions. Okay. Account abstraction technology essential tool. It's very important. We should take a look on the essential tools. So Nero, Faucet, get testnet tokens to start building. Nero Explorer, explore blocks, transactions and accounts. Access Paymaster, manage gas fees for your users. Now technical resources. Network info, all network informations, GitHub repos, check our public codes, support, contact us. Okay, so about Nero chain. So guys, built as a modular blockchain, Nero chain stresses providing value to applications over infrastructure level storage. Nero chain changes traditional blockchain economics by letting dApps gather and share transaction value, therefore ensuring that the success of an application benefits its developers and user instead of just the underlying network. With its complete EVM compatibility and high performance settling layer, Nero offers amazing scalability and flexibility, including native account abstraction, Paymaster driven gas sponsorship, and current technologies like Blockspace 2.0, which provide developers with a flawless experience. So this is the Nero doc, everybody, which we're taking a look. Okay, everyone. So I hope you all have understood, everybody, about this Nero verification doc explorer. Community की बात की जाए, so Discord, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, LinkedIn, about की बात की जाए, our career news, blogs, brand guidelines. Alright, everybody. So this was the information which I was giving you from the official website of this project. Now we'll take a look on the official X handling of our wonderful platform, which is get.io, everyone. So this is the official web X handling, which is get_io. So these are the announcement. Okay, these are the post. So go idle, $BTC, time to live its hustle. Stake on Get Launch Pool to earn up to 1,738.1% APR in $Nero. So, and up to 13.14% APR with $BTC. VIPs enjoy up to 5x cap boost to $BTC, and Nero staking supported. 12 PM July 28 to August 11 UTC. Launch pool #290 Nero chain. So these are the announcement under the Nero chain, everyone. As you can say, get.io new listing @Nexo. So this is the Nexo, not the Nero. Not this are the Nero का देख लेते हैं और क्या क्या है हमारा न्यू लिस्टिंग का. Zedaro, Nia Tibera, July 98th, Nero launch pool. So okay, this is featuring under the Candy drop as well, as you can say candy drop hashtag 58. So narrow, limited time event, share itna narrow, only on candy drop, complete simple task to grab your share of the dollar narrow airdrop rewards, VIP bonus, complete designed designated spot task as a VIP user and earn a fixed $10,000 narrow. Trade to earn accumulate $5,000 USDT plus in dollar narrow spot. Okay everybody, so these are the announcement. These are the narrow. Okay, now we'll take a look on the official X handling of the narrow chain, which is @narrowchain_IO. So the first multi-dimensional gas fee blockchain aligning incentives across the entire ecosystem. Discord here, blockchain layer 1 official website link is given here. They have joined on November 22nd. They have the 76 following and the total number of followers, it's 124.33k everyone. So this is the official X handling. Go through it and do your own research as well everyone. Now we'll take a look on the risk warning everyone. Number 1, blockchain startup projects are still in their early stages and there may be great risk in the project's operation, underlying technology, legal and regulatory environment, etc. Understanding blockchain startups and assigning their inherent risk requires advanced technical and financial knowledge. Affected by technology, laws and regulations, market and other factors, the price of the project you participate in may fluctuate drastically and the price may drop or increase significantly. Due to issues with the underlying technology of the project or the Get trading platform, you may not be able to withdraw all or parts of the funds from the project you participated in. Okay, number 5, cryptocurrency projects carry high risk. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project does not set margin and does not offer any price commitment or guarantees against price drops. Please participate only if you fully understand and can afford the risk. While the platform strongly warns of these risks, it cannot assume any liability for investment losses, including guarantee compensation. Okay everybody, so I hope you all have understood about this project everybody. So guys, if you want to ask me any questions related to this project, then please feel free to ask me the questions everyone. Do you have any questions guys? Any questions, any queries? If you have, then clear out everyone. Any queries if you have, then ask me everybody. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me the questions everybody. So guys, thank you so much for joining this live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join this live guys. Please take care of your health and happiness everybody. It's very, very important. Have a nice day everyone.